Working on character creation and have an F12 file from FaceGen Modeller? This stores a custom 3D face model created in the popular face generation software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these FaceGen face files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor F1.2 errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. An F12 file is a proprietary 3D model created by FaceGen Modeller, a specialized software for generating realistic human faces. Users encounter this format when creating or saving custom facial models for use in video games, animation, or research, and are typically looking for ways to edit the model or export it to another format. The F12 format is a proprietary binary file designed by Singular Inversions to store detailed 3D mesh data, texture maps, and statistical face parameters. This compact structure allows for the efficient storage and rapid manipulation of complex facial geometry, enabling the software's core feature of generating realistic faces from photographs or data. The tool most commonly used for creating F12 files is FaceGen Modeller by Singular Inversions. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows can't render their full mesh or model data, so complete analysis must be done in a CAD tool. Your first move is key. Right-click the F12 file and select Open with. Test with FaceGen Modeller if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If you cannot access the F12 file, no problem. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your F12 file from opening correctly. First, opening in FaceGen Modeller. Install FaceGen Modeller from Singular Inversions. Launch the application and use File, then Open to load the F12 file. The face appears in the 3D viewport with all customization parameters available. Adjust shape, texture, and demographic attributes through Modeller's intuitive interface. Next, exporting to 3D formats. Within FaceGen Modeller, use File. Then export to save the face as a standard 3D format like OBJ-FBX or 3ds for use in other applications. Texture maps export as PNG or JPEG files. The exported model can then be used in Maya 3ds, Max Blender, or game engines like Unity and Unreal. Finally, integrating with game engines. FaceGen provides plugins and SDK options for direct integration with game development workflows. Use the FaceGen Customizer SDK to enable real-time face creation in your game from F12 base files. This is widely used in character creators for RPGs and simulation games requiring diverse human faces. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.